What is functionalism? In the arts, the doctrine that design of an object should be determined solely by its function, rather than by aesthetic considerations, and that anything practically designed will be inherently beautiful. An architectural principle that prioritizes a building's purpose and practicality, asserting that its design should be dictated by its function. This approach, popularized by the mantra "form follows function," emphasizes utility over ornamentation, often resulting in simple, rational designs that use modern materials and construction techniques.
Main characteristics and principles of functionalism. Functionalism in architecture focuses on designing buildings according to their intended purpose. It emphasizes simplicity, clarity, and efficiency in both form and structures. Ornamentation is avoided as every element must serve a practical role. The style promotes honesty in material, structural expression, and functional beauty. Villa Savoye. The Villa Savoye designed by Le Corbusier in 1931. It is a masterpiece of modern architecture located in Fosse, France. It is embodies his 5 points of architecture. First, pilotis. Slender concrete columns that lift the building above the ground, creating an open space below for the garden, circulation, while giving the house a light and floating appearance. Second, pre-plan. While the structure is supported by pilotis, interior walls are flexible, allowing open layouts that adapt to the modern living. Third, a pre-facade. Since the walls are no load-bearing, the design features clean lines, smooth surface, and pure geometric form seen in the villa's elegant white facade. Fourth, the windows ribbon. Long horizontal windows bring in natural light and panoramic views, emphasizing villa's horizontal rhythm and connection to its surrounding. Finally, the roof garden. A flat roof served as a terrace and green space, blending architecture seamlessly with nature. In conclusion, functionalism transforms architecture by emphasizing purpose, simplicity, and practicality. The belief that form should follow function. This movement rejected unnecessary ornamentation and instead celebrated the design that were honest, efficient, and true to their purpose.
This is all about architect Le Corbusier. Who is Le Corbusier? Was internationally influential Swiss architect and city planner, whose design combined the functionalism of the modern movement with the bold sculptural expressionism. Le Corbusier, the great pioneer of modernism in architecture, has created impressive buildings all over the world, from France to Germany and across India to the US and South America. Timeline of Le Corbusier works. The architectural works of Le Corbusier include design and building from the early 1920s to mid-1960s. The preservation of the modern heritage, and more specifically of Le Corbusier, architectural work is a long-term venture. The inscription of the UNESCO World Heritage list of 17 buildings or sites in Argentina, Belgium, France, Germany, India, Japan, and Switzerland. Le Corbusier builds works represent a strong encouragement to maintain the living heritage and to hand it down to future generations. And the last, 1928, Villa Savoye in Poissy, France.
Tapos na po.